All right, we're here at Pedner Model Flying Field on a beautiful day in September, and I'm here with my good friend Leonard Hall, who is the lead ArduCopter control dev, and he's helping me tune my little racing quads, which I think are perfect, but Leonard maybe begs to differ a little bit.
Well, the reason why I'm out here is I'm helping you sort out your complaints about the aircraft. So I think that's a little bit unfair.
Yeah, no,
but no, it's a lovely site, and yeah, we've been having a great time the last couple of days, being taken care of by Andy. So yeah, we're sort of having a look at working through from the filtering and dealing with various sort of forms of noise and how best to handle those. We've been having a look at the opposite end, where we're looking at control, the control model of the aircraft and how that relates to pilots' taste and the requirements of different applications, and how those things sometimes contradict each other and things like that. And now we're going to have a little bit of fun seeing if we can work through my standard tuning process as opposed to the process that Andy has developed himself, and sort of see if we sort of end up at a slightly different position that's of use or of interest.
Yeah, all right. And I'll take some at the end because I know the wind noise is going to be dreadful because I forgot to put the main mic on.